This one's cool. I like this one a lot. It's a simulation of 8 different cars reporting their speeds once every 250 milliseconds each. And the reason that this is cool to look at, besides the actual graph, is that ShadowTraffic is modeling each of these cars on their own independent timelines. What I mean by that is each of these colors represents their own car, and you don't see a car spiking from, say, 10 miles an hour up to 110 miles an hour. There's actually some continuity about it. It's computing the last value, the next value, I should say, from the previous value. And beyond that, if we actually zoom out on the data a little bit, you can see that all these cars don't start up at exactly the same time. There's even a little bit more nuance to this. The cars are starting one at a time about 5 seconds after each other. So car 1 starts, car 2, car 3, car 4, and so on and so forth. I'll show you the code that actually powers this. So this is the ShadowTraffic file that is writing the data to Postgres that you're seeing in Grafana. It writes to a table called car speeds, and it uses a construct called fork, which is the thing that puts each of these 8 cars on their own independent timelines. As I said, they stagger in once every 5 seconds, which is how you get that nice rolling effect. And then it works pretty simply. We have the car ID, which is the particular fork, one of 8 different cars, a timestamp so that we can make series of the time series data, and then another construct called state machine, which is exactly what it sounds like. There are 2 states, start and update, and in each of them we take the body of each state and we merge it into the main generator. So in the beginning, in the start state, we set the speed to somewhere between, around 50 miles an hour with a standard deviation of 15. And then on the update state, which is the only thing that happens after we start, is we compute a new speed by taking the previous speed, adding a value between -1 and 1, and then making sure that it's not at 0. And that's all there is to it. That's actually how you get each of these cars updating once every 250 milliseconds along their own timelines. And if I zoom out, you can see it. You can see it again. They're all actually hanging together because of the way that fork and state machine hold together. So that's it. Thanks for watching this one.